You're mean.
No,
you're not. You just suck at killing roaches. Where's my other shoe? Oh wait, is that video going already?
No.
Oh, well why not? You just opened it back.
How did that person do it? Just like that. I can't see if it's... Doesn't look like it's... Focused, yeah. It doesn't look like it. Wonder where the sweet spot is.
They put a piece of tape over the spot where you had to have the card over in that other video.
Oh. This must be what they call it, a God pack.
Why?
It must be a God pack.
You got 2 foils?
I'm glad I opened that on. Yeah. Because it was like upside down. It was weird. It was going one way. And we hit the foil. And then we hit another foil. No,
Oh.
I don't know if it's called a God pack, actually.
But
actually, this is kind of cool, though.
3 foils? That's unusual, isn't it? Or is it?
That's a cool looking card.
Oh, can I see it?
Careful. It's funny.
I'm just kidding. I would never hurt your cards. You know that. Oh, this is that one with that metallic. Oh, you know what? You can actually feel that surface you were talking about.
That's what they said. Yeah, you can feel there's like a different feeling to them. Watch, everybody's gonna make fun of me as far as this good pack.
Whatever, you're learning. Sparky's so tired she doesn't even care that she's got the squeaker. How come you're not talking, Grandpa? How come you're not talking?
Was I supposed to?
I don't know. Maybe.
Why don't you talk for both of us?
Happy Friday. That's pretty, not evergreen.
Probably gonna have to get a different camera for this. Oh, that's cool. That's something different.
What's that? Ooh. That's pretty. Can I see?
Oh, hey, look, and there's another one behind it.
Oh.
And then that's the end of it. And there's 2 new ones. Careful.
The Strudel. So cute. It's a poison jab. Alakazam. It's pretty.
Not sure, but no, that's not the same card that we have, the fake one. Looks like it though, that same blue. Everybody else is talking on the video except for me.
Sparky. Quiet. Millie. Shh. Come on. Why don't you guys go outside? Let's go. Let's go. Sparky, go. Go find outside.
And 5.